Stay tuned for tips and techniques from the nation's top chefs in the Chef's Kitchen.
We're here today at Banks Seafood Kitchen and Raw Bar. We're outside on the patio, right on the river. Chef, what are we making today?
You know I love those oysters, and we're going to do some oysters, a little twist on them, ceviche, many ingredients in a ceviche, but here I use a poblano pepper, a red onion, a tomato, some chili pepper, and some cilantro, and just chopping them down. So I will do a little salt, I will do just a little lemon, I will do just a little orange in that, and I will do just a little bit of lime. This is a foaming canister. You charge it up with nitrous oxide. I've got mostly lime and orange juice. We take one nitrous cartridge, shake it.
What kind of oysters are these?
These are fat bastards.
Fat bastards.
They're out of Washington State. It's a West Coast oyster. The hinge right at the back pops right there.
So you're kind of doing like a twisting motion with your hand.
A little twisting motion, and then you see all the nice liquor from the oyster.
Yeah.
We open that, hit that bottom muscle, pull the oyster out of the front of it, and for a deep cup West Coast, we always turn it over. Not a whole lot, you don't want to overpower the oysters.
Cheers.
Cheers.
First of all, the oyster itself is so fresh and so delicious. And you didn't put too much stuff on it.
No.
The accompaniment just accents the oyster.
You can still
It
taste
doesn't-
that oyster.